After reading the story Too Many Tamales or listening to this story, we're going to use the character map that we used on Rosalinda in Under the Lemon Moon, and we're going to use that for Maria, who's our main character in Too Many Tamales. And so thinking about her character traits, I picked 4 out that I would like you to find text evidence for. And these 4 are curious, helpful, proud, and dishonest. So think in the story about where she was curious, the parts that she was curious, and find the text evidence and type it into the box here. Once you're done with that, you're going to make a screenshot and you're going to upload it to the assignment. Which is titled Describing Characters. So you're going to upload it to that assignment. Remember, if you have any questions about it, you can always come to office hours.